Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's video we are going to backtest my strategy on two different accounts. So I'm going to create an account, new section. I will call it backtest 1, I guess. Then I will give it a balance of $50. Means if I deposited $50, means I will have 10 chances of losing $5 on each. So if you want to deposit $100, then your risk to reward will be 1:3, which that one means you will be risking $10 per each trade. So that's what we are going to do. So today I just deposited $50. Then I will go back in time, like 2024, on January 1st. Yeah, so we have this account here saved. Perfect. So we have backtest 1, we have GBP USDJPY, and I'm gonna press start there. So this is Traders Casa, is a place where we backtest our strategy. Let me close the door because I can see a lot of noise. Sorry for that. Okay, yeah, so here we have. So for today's strategy, I'm not going to use 1 hour. I'm just going to show you just the basic strategy of all time. So in today's, we are going to look only 5 minutes, and what we see in 5 minutes, then we'll be trading according to what we see. So let's start by press trading here and see any break of structure. Perfect there. So my strategy is very simple. What I have to do is wait to see the break of structure. Like we can see here, this was the previous high, which is already broken, and we can see a fair value gap here, we can see a fair value gap here. So I will consider this as a supply zone, sorry, a demand zone. So whenever the markets come back to this area, I want to execute it. To execute the trade anywhere from here, all my stop loss below there, and I'll be targeting even higher like that. But to be sure, you can put your stop loss, your entry there, and stop loss down there to allow any swap of liquidity. So for this trade, I will risk $5 and see what is going to happen. I want to see if it's possible to trade without looking on higher time frame, because I usually look for one hour before going down to another thing. So let's wait and see. And as you can see, this one was a good one. As you can see, market has already broken this structure, then market came back to this area before sweeping up. So this was a good place to enter, but no need to blame. Let's wait and see if market will ever come back to our favor, and I think market will never come back to our favor. So market is already in uptrend, so I will just cancel this and find another signal. So as you can see here, market has already break even this structure, which make this one here a new demand zone. So I will draw it like this, and if the market come back to this area, I will buy it. I'll put all my stop loss below here, and I'll be targeting somewhere around here. Sometimes I use Fibonacci, but for today I will just use that. So I risk $10 to get $20, 1:4. So let's play and see if the market will ever come back, and see what will happen there. If you want to speed up, you can click here to increase the speed. Remember, this is a free version. In free version, we have these ads. The good thing about Traders Casa, you can do your backtesting on weekend. You just go back in time, do your analysis, do your strategies, enhance your strategies. Whenever the market opens on Monday, you come back with new things. So yeah, this is my strategy in a lower time frame. I usually look for higher time frame to see the trend before going to lower time frame, but I want to see what really happens with this strategy. Let me go for 15 minutes. Let me go for, okay, market has already even broke above the previous high. Market didn't come back to our zone. What market did after breaking this previous high, market come back to this zone, which I believe maybe this was the supply zone. As you can see, we have demand zone. As we can see, we had a fair value gap here, so market just come to fill that, then move away. So I will call this a safe. We didn't lose any, but we didn't get any trades also. So let's proceed and see what is happening. I don't want to change anything. So the market has opened. Okay, now the market has opened. There is an area here which is, I don't know what the name is, but it's like imbalanced. So market usually come back to fill this area before going against. So I will start looking for my position to enter short. Let me see if I will get any position. I usually look at break of structure. Nice. So every day I look at break of structure. Now I will call this as a swap of liquidity for now. Break of structure, we have a fair value gap here. So we have a fair value gap here. As you can see, we have a fair value gap. So I want to put my entry somewhere around here. I will be targeting, I can target above, which would be so good, but I think that will be super risky. Remember, you are just enhancing your strategy, and then I will be targeting somewhere around here. So it's like 1:3 maybe. Let me risk this and see if if I will be right. And market just went down without my position being filled. So yeah, guys, as you can see, it's really tough. So market has already come back to this area without filling my orders. So I think this is a good fair value gap, and this will be like imbalance, because this area is the place where I broke this structure here. Whenever the structure is broken, you look for the imbalance area. Then I want to re-enter my position, but somewhere around here, and I'll be targeting somewhere around here. So let's play and see what will happen here. Come to open position and place this trade. Let's see what is going to happen here. Okay, almost there. No, almost there. Market has already started dropping. Market is dropping, and it didn't trigger our position. I wonder why, but yeah, this is a new thing. Anyway, so right now we can see this position is not stable, so we need to find another one. So I think you're wondering why this is happening. Remember, this is USD yen. So I don't trade this, but I trust my strategy. So what I'm trying to do here is duplicating my strategy to different pairs, but usually I trade GBP JPY, GBP USD, and Euro USD. Sometimes I trade the Audi JPY, and Audi chef. Those are like my trades. I usually don't trade the USDJPY or USD CAD and things like that. But let's see. What I want to see is either we flip this currency or we blow it. So that's my strategy. I can see here we have already broken the strategy. Let me see if we have already broken the previous low here. So I want to enter here, but this time I think this is a good position to enter. I want to risk like 10 of this, because I think this will be a good one. Let's see how it plays. Let's see. Let me go back and see what is happening. So what is happening is like market is rejecting. I never trade this, but I start kind of understand what is trying to do here. These currencies usually respect validation X. Validation X are those areas which was like previous low before change of character. I can see every single time, like this time here I put my entry here, but after this break market just came back to like this area here, like here, yeah, like here, then market break the structure again. So it's like in Audi card, market usually respect validation X, I mean this area here or this area here. So I think I started getting it. So for this case, I think I want to re-enter here will be good, but for this case I will leave it here because I think a lot of people have put their stop loss above here, so here will be like inducement. So let's play and see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. So as you can see, this was the validation X before change of character. Market came here and drop, market come back again to this area and drop. So I thought this one will break out and swap the liquidity, but didn't happen. So I'm still get used to Audi to USDJPY, and let's see if it will play in my favor or not. So we just enter the position right now and our stop loss is heated like that. So we remain with $40, but this market is a little bit different, and I think we were not serious. Look at this, market has already break this structure, market came back to pull to this area, then go to the other side. So I think this was a good entry, but we didn't look it closely. So let's look again. So market has already break this structure here, so market has already pulled back to this area. I'm thinking market will start buying from this area going up, I think. So let's see, putting here, then I will be targeting somewhere around here to previous high and see what will happen here. So because this is a risky entry, because it's like I'm buying at the top, which is not a good idea. So I think I'll risk $5 to get like $21. Let's see how it plays. So when profit of 10, 13, and perfect. So this was a good trade. As you can see here, we're in $61. So even though I risk $10, which is not my risk management, I usually risk, if I have $10, I risk $1 per trade. Maybe that in volatility, not in this, in other currencies, but in forex. But if I'm trading forex, what I risk, usually I risk, if I have $50, I risk $5 for each trade. If I have $100, I risk $10 for each. Means I'm ready to risk like 10 trades in order to blow my account. So that was a good one. So let's see what is happening, if there is any change of character will happen. So let's see. Perfect here. So market has already break the structure, as you can see here, to the downside. So if market has already break the structure to the downside, but we don't see any fair value gap, because if there was fair value gap, market could come back to this area, then went down. So we will not just sell until we see something which is a little bit clear. So let's see what will happen here. Boom. So I better not enter. I think this was news, obviously. So that was good one, because this was hard. So market just push all the way up there. Let's play and see what will happen after that. Let's see. Okay, market just came back to the levels. Yeah, perfect. Market just came to the levels. Now what we want to see is break of structure. Let's see a break of structure. Let's wait. Okay, market is pushing down, still down and perfect. So for this case, I think this is already break of structure. I will wait the market to come back to this area here. I want to enter here. I want to put my stop loss somewhere around here, because market can come back to this area, but I will consider this as as an entry. Let me see, where will I be targeting? I will be targeting somewhere around here, I guess. I am not quite sure. Let's see how this will play out. So for this case, I will be risking a $5 because I'm not sure what will happen. So it's 1:2. Let's see how it plays out. And we are in the trade. Let's see how it happen. Okay, and I think we are stopped out. No, we are not. Let me pause for a bit. So might just come back to this area as we said, then it shows some rejections, then market start falling down. So let's see if anything will happen. Remember, because we are trading 5 minutes, this is a little bit confusing right now, because as you can see, market came back to this area, then pull back to this area until it swapped the liquidity. So the market could eventually come back to that area before going up. That's what I'm thinking. So yeah guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and enable the notification bell in order whenever I upload new video you don't miss out. So remember, this is Cascade Traders Casa. If you want, you hate these ads, just pay the paid version. If not, let's proceed. So yeah, as you can see, it pushed down. So almost I usually break even. So if you don't understand this trade, you can drag it and put a break even. This is what you'll do in your real trade. So whenever market goes sideways, you're still on profit. So I will just take $1. It's not bad, but what I'm seeing, market can come back to this area before falling. So for this case, I'll just put somewhere around there. I guess I just want to risk like, yeah, something like one. Let me see what will happen from now on. So I just risk like $1. I will remain with something like 60 if this won't go to my way. And as you can see now, is pulling up again. It's pulling up. Let's increase the speed and see. Boom. Oh, we're not stopped out. Okay, let's wait and see. Now we are stopped out and it dropped as we thought it would, but we couldn't survive because we put our stop loss somewhere around here. So what market did, came back to this area, swap all the liquidity up here. A lot of people we put our stop loss here, as I did. So market came back, swapped them, then it went down as we imagined. So that's the hard truth about trading. Remember, I usually look for 1 hour, but this is not a 1 hour thing. This is like I'm enhancing my strategy only in 5 minutes. So I just challenge myself to not look anything else than 5-minute chart and see if I can do the difference. So I think here there is like a resistance, and we can see market has already break the structure. Then I think there will be a pullback to this area before falling, but this thing here is something that worries me. So sometimes if you don't understand yourself, don't trade. As you can see, we are safe. So market has already break the structure, then pull down. I think we will be buying to this area here. So every bad trade you escape is a win, because if you didn't escape it, obviously it will be turned into a losing trade. So sometimes don't blame yourself for losing trades. Sometimes it's better you lose trade, because we usually don't know exactly how the trade will end up. So I want to put somewhere around here. I want my market to open there. I will risk $5 to target $10, 1:2, and let's play and see what this will happen, if we'll be right or wrong. So market, booyah, perfect there. So what did we just see here? Market came back to this area. There was like a resistance. It didn't pass for the first time and the second time, but for the third time it struggled, but at the end it break, then it come back to it retest to the same area which used to be resistance, then after testing it, it shot up to the perfect TP. So this is good, and before doing anything, this area here push the market all the way down. So what we want to see here is market to continue with the downtrend. So market has already break the structure. As you can see, my strategy say whenever you see this market break the structure, you go against. But for this case, I will buy from here, but I didn't see a clear break of structure like somewhere around here, and then it could go back. So let me play a little bit and see what will happen here. So let me see what will happen. Then market come back to this area. So I want to sell right now. I want to sell like right now. Stop loss above there. Then for this one, I think I want to target, this will be a quick one, 1:2, but you could target even further or further. So I will see how the market goes, how the market will respect this area before I get out of the market. So let's see. I will risk $10, $5 again, and let's play out and see what this will happen. Let's see, let me increase. Okay, and we are out. Yeah, we are out. So market has already break the structure, and we are pushing up. As you can see, we are pushing up. So I think we are targeting somewhere like there. So we can't just decide where the market will push up. We need to see where the market will push, maybe to this area or this area before going up. So let it play and we will see what is happening. So market is keep on creating new higher highs and higher lows. Okay, now market has already like change of structure somewhere around here. So I think like market was in an uptrend before push down and break even this structure here. So market can eventually push back to this area as here, stop loss down there, and will be targeting somewhere far away, somewhere like here, somewhere like here, somewhere like here, or somewhere like here. So let me see how this will play out. $5, and let me do this, and let me see what will happen to this market. Whoa, it's still in uptrend, as you can see. So we are currently up, but this is not so good. Market is in uptrend. If I could look 1 hour, I think I will probably know the market is in uptrend, but because I just challenged myself to trade 5 minutes only, I think I will just focus on 5 minutes. So yeah, I think this will be like our new demand zone. So I want to buy here, put my stop loss down here, and I will be targeting somewhere like here. So yeah, let me risk another $5 and see what will happen. Okay, another news. So hopefully you are following along. So this will be like a series. I want to flip this to $100. So I don't know how long will this take, but all I know, this is still January 16th, is like the third week of because we started on the 1st of January. This is 16th, so it's like 3 weeks of trading. A $5 account, a lot of chances we lost, but hey, the good thing we're still up. So let me see, the market is still up and up. I think we'll never come back to that area. I think it will never come back to that area again. Yeah, I say new. So market is keep on pushing up and up. So I will just cancel this and look what is happening here. Will this break? Let me see. Yeah, it's already broken, so there is a fair value gap here. I want to enter here, put my stop loss down here and target somewhere around there. Let me target $5 and see if it will ever work. So let's see. Now this is real chart. So if you think trading is simple, no, this is exactly what we do. We wait for best setup to happen, and sometimes your best setup can be a loss. So just accept the pain and see if the market will ever go to your side. So let it increase and see if the market will ever come back or come down. So let me pause for a bit. And oh no, that's why I wanted it to pause, because I knew the market can eventually come down. So I'm not quite sure, but let's play and see if this will ever work, because I could already take out this. I was in a super speed, and remember, you can't go back, so you can't cheat on yourself. So I know I could take it, my TP here. This was very far. I think this was very far, but who knows? So let's play and see what this will happen, if it will ever come back to our position, or this is a stop loss hitted. I think this is a stop loss hitted, like there. Okay, for that case, let me I don't want to put break even. Just let me play. Let me see how this will end up. Okay, or should I take this position then, because this is a break of structure, then I could interceal here? No, let me believe my strategy. I said it will come from there to that area. Okay, let me see. Oh, and okay, boom. I something was fishy. I knew it. So the market, what market did here, let's see together here. So remember, you always trade when you see break of structure. It's a place when you find your trading position. So for this case, this was already a break of structure. That's why I thought market will come back to this area before falling. But yeah, a loss is a loss. So let's wait and see what the market will do, if we'll ever get another chance. The aim is to flip this to 0 or 100, one of it. So perfect there. So yeah, market just pulled back to this area. I think this area is the area where the market break the structure to the downside. I think market will proceed going down, but before confirming, I want to see what the market will do here. If there is any break of structure, like here, a break of structure, market pull back. So I think I want to enter somewhere around here. I want to put my stop loss above here. But there is, if we were stopped out here, we will enter on top there. So I will risk that 4.9. I want to risk that 4.98. Yeah, let me see if this will ever work. And I think we are just stopped out. No, yes, and we are stopped out. So I want to re-enter again if the market reach this area here. So let me see what will happen if market will ever. I will put somewhere around there. Oh, there is a high thing here. Let's see. Remember, one strategy. No need to change your strategy. Just believe in yourself. Losses is part of the game. Remember, I usually look for a hourly time frame before going down. So I'm just trying to see if this strategy will be good. So, and I think we are stopped out. Let's see, and yeah, boom, we are stopped out. So yeah, actually I'm really not sure if the market is in an uptrend or downtrend, but I think the market is trying to shift from uptrend to downtrend. So I want to enter exactly here. The stop loss will be above here, and I want to target this far, and I want to enter like $10. Let's see, because I think this will be a good trade. I think so. Let's see. Now this is what we call the greedy. It's come naturally. I have no okay, we are on it. Let's see. So we are in profit, like Okay, let's see. So let me pause. Oh, booyah. As we said, this was a perfect entry. This was perfect. What did I just see? So if I could look at the hourly time frame, obviously I could see the change of character, but because I'm just focused on 5 minutes only, nothing else. What we just see here was a clear uptrend, then a breakout, a swap of liquidity, and then market started dropping. So after this break, I said, now this is a clear break of structure. We tried to enter here because remember, I never traded USDJPY, but I think it's a little bit tricky. That's why it's trying to step us out every single time. But I think yeah, the more you do, the more you understand. So let's proceed. The aim is either we flip this to 0 or 100. So right now we are currently at 84. So let's see if we will reach where we want. So as you can see here, it's already break the structure, and if you look this closely, you'll find out that market leave a little bit of some imbalance zones in different areas, but I think this swap of liquidity here was changed by this one here. I think this one was reasonable for this break of structure. Oh, there is this break of structure here, I think, which was reasonable by this one. So let's see if the market will ever come back, then we'll find our buy position. So now we need to go slowly in order to find what is going to happen here. So right now you can see market just start pulling back. So I think if we'll see the break of structure here, we will enter. So let's see if we will ever see break of structure, because if you can't see break of structure, we can't enter the market. So market just this was a good time to sell because market just reduce the momentum. So I think this is this is a break of structure. Let's see. No, I think this was perfect if this one was swapped. But let's see what the market will do and come back there. I think I could just for this one, I think I want to see if would it respect me and say, hey, I want to target here, then I want to target a little bit above these highs and see if market will go down. So I want to risk as small as possible because I'm not sure about this trade. I think I will risk like $2. So I will risk like $2 to get like $10. So let me see. And we are swapped like that. So do you see what happens when you risk a little bit? Sometimes it's good, because if you're not sure about the trade, then don't enter full margin. So I think it's like this is, I've already swapped the liquidity. I think maybe if the market could come back here, then we will target to push up, will be something. So let's see what the market will do. Let's see what market will do. So a lot of consolidation there. Remember, we don't trade on consolidation because we don't know exactly where the market is heading. So perfect, and I think we are start dropping now. This has already changed the break of structure, so I think I will re-enter here. I will be targeting above here, then I will be targeting this low here. I think this is a good one, and for this one I think I will risk like another $2. Now I think I'll go for 7.3. I think I'll go for that. So let me play and see what will happen. Boom, and we are stopped out like that. Oh, we are not stopped out yet. So let's see how the market will play. Never trade on consolidation because you actually don't know what the market is heading. But I know this is already, as I knew it. So boom. So I think market has break the structure and is trying to find a buy position. So I don't know about the hourly time frame, the candles, what the candle has broken, has closed, but I think it will be good for me if we start looking for buys. Remember, one strategy, one rule. No need to change your strategy. Just backtest your strategy until you are comfortable enough. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to backtest and backtest and backtest until I say now I'm comfortable enough with Euro USD. So I will risk $5 for this trade, and let me see how this will play out. And we just stopped out with news. I think this was news. We were just stopped out like that. Damn. Then market hit our TP. The bad thing about doing this traders casa, you have no news. If you want news, I think probably you need to go pro, I think. But yeah, at least we know we were right. But that doesn't change the fact that we were stopped out. But this has already break the structure, and I think the market will still pushing up. So I want to risk like this much, but I want to target a little bit like this much here. So this is like 1 ratio. I don't know. I risk another $5. You have to click this before clicking on position, then opposite. So $5 to get $16. I hate this, but let's see what will happen. And market, I think, will never come down. Let's see. Market just didn't touch our entry, and I think the market is in downtrend now. So yeah, that's it. If you are trading 5 minutes only, expect this kind of stuff. So yeah, so market has already break the structure. This is demand zone. So I want to re-enter this trade here. I want to re-enter this trade here. Stop loss all the way down here. Targeting again that far. Yeah, I want to target that far. I can't really remember where was it, but somewhere around here. So let me see how this will play out. I want to risk again $5 to get 16 or what. Remember, you click this before clicking on place order. So let me play and see what this will happen. Boom, market is open and is trending up as we said, but not for long. Let me pause. No, I wanted to pause, but yeah, hey, we are stopped up. That's the reality of trading, guys. That's the reality. So don't think market will be in your favor always. That's why they tell you 90% of traders lose. But why do we lose? We go to live market without backtesting our strategy. If you lose this much, what you need to do to know is that you can't trade with you can't trade using only 5 minute time frame. You need to see some swap of liquidity and all those stuffs in order to be successful. So I think market has just come back to this area here, which was like our demand zone. We have like this. Wow. So I think this was a perfect one. So I will just reduce the speed in order to see what the market do. If it break the structure, I will start looking for buy. So let me see if it will ever break the structure or it will proceed going down. So I think that is a okay, now this is good. Like it's already swapped the liquidity, a break of structure there. So I think I will enter here, stop loss down there, somewhere on there. Let me see what is here. Nothing. Then I'll be targeting this far here. Then for now on, I want to go to something like my Euro USD. So for this one, I think I will use 10 lots. So let's just ban this account. So if you're a risk taker using 10 lots, yeah, it can take you somewhere really fast. Let's see, like boom. Let's pause and see. We are 20 now. So it will be wise for us to take our stop loss somewhere around here to break even. But there is this liquidity here, market can eventually come down. So let me protect like this thing here and see what the market will do. Like market is pushing up, like we are in $30, so you can protect like 20. You can protect like 20 if you want the market to play out, but you don't miss any of these. So you can protect 20, I guess. But if you want, I think you can take it all. I think let me think on, should I take 30 then to be like 90, to be like 90? I'm not quite sure. Or should I play it and say, okay, let me play it because I want to see when the market reverse. So market just reverse when 80%. So here market reverse, so I want to re-enter again somewhere around here. Okay, so I want to re-enter this market. If market eventually come back to this area, I think it will come back to this area. So let's see if market will push down. Let's see. Yeah, I think there is like a resistance zone here is there, so I want to re-enter if market come back to this zone. Then this time I want to risk again $10 to get 35. So let's play out and see what this will happen, what is going to happen. So we need to be very careful to see how the market reverse. So I want to see closely how the market behave when it come back to our zone. So market just pulled back to somewhere on this zone. I think this zone was like a validation X. It was like this zone here. So let's see if market will respect that area or will start pushing up. And let me go like, I want to see now. Boom, break of structure. Now I want to see if market come back to this area. I think it will be wise for me to buy here, or risking $14 this time. Let's see if market ever come back to that area. If market will ever come back to that area. Boom, has come, and it's going down like that, and we were, I think this is like swap of liquidity, I guess. If I was in lower time frame, in higher time frame, I will know. I'm not quite sure, but I think I want to add another position here. I want to add another position here, risking like somewhere here, targeting somewhere around here, risking another $10. So we are risking $24 to get, I don't know, like 40 and 50, like we'll be reaching our 100k. So let's see if this will work. Let's see, let me increase the speed. Boom, let me increase the speed again. Boom, I think the market has already saturated enough and it's time to go down. Whoa, market eventually push up like hell without triggering our position, and finally we're in $100. So finally we just flip a $50 to $100 after 1 month straight. So that is the hard reality of trading one currency for the full month using your risk management. So you can flip it, but lower your expectations, because if you want to trade like a pro, wait for your best setups, then you can flip a $50 to $100 in 1 month. Remember, this is not my account, this is not my favorite pair, but I think I did my best. I want to thank you for watching this video all the way through. I think you learn a lot, and yeah, hopefully we will see each other if we can be able to flip 100 to 200. So let's see you in other videos.